Okay, it's Wednesday, January the 6th, 2021. And we should be having rain here in Southern California. As you can see, the skies are completely hazed over with the chemtrail aerosols. It's a bad day in Washington, D.C. today as well. We've got a criminal cartel controlling our judiciary, our legislative branch, and of course the mainstream media. This country's in deep, deep shit if this can't be fixed. The mainstream media is attempting to install Joe Biden, who did not win the election. We all stayed up on November 3rd and we saw what happened. All of the counting stopped in those 6 states. And Trump was way out ahead with like 65% of the votes counted in most of these states. There's no way you can make up all those votes with that kind of a block of, percentage tallied already. That can't be done. It's statistically impossible. And the mainstream media is ignoring it. And so all I can say is I'll leave you with one saying that sticks in my head. John F. Kennedy, a Democrat, said, if peaceful resolution is impossible, then violent revolution is inevitable. Okay, so that was John F. Kennedy back in the 60s, who today would be considered a conservative. He'd be one of us, one of the deplorables, one of the Trump people probably. So there it is. We have moisture moving in. It should be raining here in the Los Angeles, Southern California area. Last 4 days, actually, we've had heavy, since the last video, which was on the 1st, we've had heavy spraying most of those days. Starts off clear in the morning, and then we have the moisture move in off the Pacific, and then they spray the hell out of us. Okay, that's it.